everything must change. Nothing stays the same. No, no. Everyone must change. Nothing stays the same. The young become the old. Mysteries do unfold. 'Cause that's the way of time. Nothing and no one goes unchanged. There are not many things in life you can be sure of, except rain comes from the clouds and sun lights up the sky, and hummingbirds do fly. Winter turns to spring. A wounded heart will heal. Yes, it will. Never much too soon. Everything must change. The young become the old.
Today I'm going to take you into the black community, to a black-owned business. The Goldsmith family, Jude, Eve, and their two sons, Jaron and Hassan, are the owners of Julius Family Store. Now, what is so unique about the Goldsmith is they have gold fingers. Whatever problem or situation they touch, it turns into gold. The title of this episode is My People, and you'll see why. Pops, when I grow up, I want to be a businessman, just like you. Everything must change, son. Business will be conducted different when you're a man. I said everything must change except principles. Now, principles will never change. And I'm going to teach you business and life principles. Son, you must master the business principles. Let's start with customer service. At Julius Family Store, everybody's treated like royalty. But most of all, son, you're given the name Smith, but you must earn the title to be a goldsmith. How do I become a goldsmith? When you can master life and turn every problem and situation into gold. Now here's your first lesson in dealing with abnormal customers.
I wish I could buy me a spaceship and fly past the sky.
I wanna fly. I said I want my chariot to pick me up and take your brother for a ride. Heaven knows.
Y'all see my new spaceship? There's no spaceship out there, Mr. I see the spaceship out there, Mr. Jones. What model is it? It's a 2050 Lexus anti-gravity model. Did you make a pit stop before you got to Earth? Yeah, I stopped on Venus. She has a lot of curves and wide at the bottom. It's beautiful. But you gotta bring your tennis racket when you go to Venus, or you won't get served. I got a tiger by the tail. It's plain to see. So how can I help you, Mr. Jones? Let me get some pantyhose. What's that? We don't carry anything like that. Son, go back in the warehouse and look on the top shelf. That'll be $10, Mr. Jones. So where you flying off to? I'm going down into the middle of the earth, a place called Soulville. Daddy, Mr. Jones is crazy. Don't judge, son. Mr. Jones was in the army, and he was sent overseas to fight in the war. And he saw a lot of killing and a lot of ugly things. I got a tiger by the tail. It's plain to see.
I wish I could buy me a spaceship and fly past the sky.
I wanna fly.
Business principles for life. The next lesson is, how do you handle a shrewd person? Watch.
And Monte Carlos and El Dorado. So I'm waking up out of my slumber feeling like Rollo. So follow, it's showtime at the Apollo minus the Kiki Shepherds. With about a...
Hey, Jew, can I get a brother-in-law deal? Big John, looking like Big Larry. Brother-in-law's deals was yesterday, so man, you a day late and $1 short. Man, times is hard. Times is so hard. My brother-in-law, he went out and got a job. You talking about I ain't gonna work for nobody? That brother-in-law? Damn, times is hard. How much you want for that shirt? $40. I'll give you 10 for it. Big John, that shirt is made out of silk. You know the Chinese man in South Tulsa have that same shirt for $10. Yeah. But after you wear it once, Big John, and wash it, it'll shrink up to toddler size. You have to give that shirt to your little baby. I'll give you 20 for the shirt. Big John, you are a man of style and grace. You have impeccable taste. Look at you. Man, it would be an insult for you to be associated with inferior quality. Man, this shirt has your name on it. And when women rub their hands on your body touching that silk, it will drive them wild. You got change for $100 bill.
Sucker, 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 sucker.
PMP Production.
Till I hit it, go, check it, bag chasing, out your bag chasing, bag chasing, out your bag chasing. If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? If you ain't talking money, what you talking about?
My closet legit like the stove. Look like I'm selling the dope. Too clean, I hang around with the pole. Do I remember? You know. I used to sleep on the floor. Don't hang around, gotta go. Don't know who's right in your throat. Poking my diamonds, they froze. NBA 2K the wrist. Green like the diamond test. Say the 100's been a rest. Red guts in the Jeep. Biggest rims on the streets. Bank account on fleek. Diamonds drip, iced tea. Grills out, white teeth. You starve, I eat. I flex all week. I flex, you weak. Cloud 9, that's trees. Take a shot, that's deep. No twos, all threes. In your room like a creep. Rooms out, less sweet.
Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? If you ain't talking money, what you talking about?
My mansion the size of a college, fresh but don't got a stylist. Style. Whips pull up with no malice. She gave me don't, she a scholar. Whips. Designer all over my body, kicking the door with the shotty. Boom. I don't play around with nobody, pulling up in a big body. Gucci stole all of my closet, ain't no comparison, stop it. Fresh. Hate on me cause I'm so cocky, diamonds be frozen and frosted. Why you hate? I don't be doing no talking, hit the bank with a deposit. Shut up. Go to the club, get it poppin', hit up the mall and we shopping. Rims float when I burn out. In the mall with the racks out. Big meals bring the steaks out. Spill ranch on my wrist now. YouTube be the trap house. I got it lock on the east and the north and the west, all the way to the dirty south.
Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. Bag chasing, out your bag chasing. If you ain't talking money, what you talking about? If you ain't talking money, what you talking about?